Like other web-based applications, when reports are generated from B2 Win Suite, they are available inside the browser. You can download them. If you wish to send these files automatically to your local PC and launch them with Excel or Word or Adobe Reader, you need to connect the B2 Win Suite client, which is a client application that allows for connectivity with B2 Win Suite Server through secure connection. This is how you connect the client. You can see here that it's connected. Once connected, you can use Launch instead of Download. And you can email using Microsoft Outlook from your local station. I save my defaults. When I print a report in auto mode using the -run switch, the saved values will be picked. B2 Win Suite will print in the background, and my output will go directly to Outlook. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today.